Today we're gonna make some almond cookie. We're gonna prepare the pan. So measure the pan. Use the edge of a table to cut it. Almond flour, we need 2/3 cups, so about this much, less than 1 cup. 1 cup of regular flour. Mix it in. Little bit of a cornstarch. 1 big tablespoon of cornstarch. A little bit of baking powder, this much. And then we're going to need to have 1 cup of sugar, which is right here. 1 cup. That's a lot, too much. So I'm going to reduce it to 1/2 cup. Mix everything together with a spoon. And then I'm going to whip 2 eggs in here. With this, I'm going to have a little bit of salt in the egg. Just mix it until they mix the white and the yolk together. Put a tablespoon of a ladle of coconut oil. Just mix them together so that the egg blend in with the almond. Mostly almond in here, so you can call it almond cookie. So it blends really good right now. So this should be the consistency of your almond cookie, okay? You can use parchment paper or foil like that and get the thickness you want, and you can do like that. And put it on, make a shape out of it. That. You can make the rest of them too on the second batches, so you can bring it all at once. Just get 2 fish ready. And then, see, little dumpling. 2 of this. These flour always look so perfect. Now we can go bake it. Here I have a little strawberry jello, so I'm going to sprinkle some of these guys on top, okay? We'll just sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugars on this. For these sprinkles, you don't need a lot. I have a little bit jello, so I just put them on top here. So a little bit the pie, probably on the pie. Okay, so all done. Make sure the bottom all clean. Put the first tray in. Put the second tray in. After 12 to 15 minutes, you go open the oven and check on it. Okay. Here's the first batch, and our second batch of cookies also ready. Here's your cookie for every day. It's healthy from Great Taste of Las Vegas. Hope you're happy.